here is a new puzzle that I got. It's a level 6, so it's gonna be challenging, but I always enjoy solving these puzzles even though when they're challenging. So this one is called Chain. It's level 6, which is the highest level that you can have. Let's get into it. Alright, here it is. Just in case that I might need pen and paper later to take down notes. I brought my iPad here, just in case. This doesn't look that complicated, and there must be a pretty good solution to it because it's not one of those very hard puzzles. I might regret saying this. Whoa, almost forgot. Timer. Is that good? Yep. First thing I can see is they're labeled. This one's 1, 2 in the middle, 3 on the other side. And yeah, you can see there's slots over here. This might not be the easiest to show on their black mat, but yeah, maybe I'll shine more lights to it. Maybe with the lights it's gonna be easier. So yeah, I can see some interesting things going on here. So this one, number 1, has a pretty good slot over here that would let number 2 sit in it. Oh, I'm just gonna use my iPad to start taking notes because it's level 6. We need to be prepared. The general shape is like this. And then that comes here. Now let's duplicate that. And that and there. So 3 of them. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Alright, let's get some colors here. So, number 1, what's special about it is it has a slot over here. So this slot over here is similar, or it's the same width as this one right here. So you can see that number 2 fits in there perfectly. Probably be useful later. Number 2 is actually just a very normal one. And then let's look at number 3. Oh, by the way, the slot doesn't go across. And it goes a little more than halfway, so side profile. It goes there. That's open. Now number 3. Oh, so here. Number 2 is normal, nothing special. So number 3, the special part is over here. Has a slot, and this one goes all the way across. This width here is actually equal to this one right here. So I guess again, you see it from the top. This is thick, and then thin all the way, then thick. So here, that is the same. And showing you physically, it works like this. So one could fit in here pretty nicely. Alright, now that we learned about how each piece looks like, let's spend some time on playing with these. So to take them apart, you really have to line up the pieces like this. So one has to be here, and the other one somehow needs to be perpendicular. And it's gonna look like this. And I don't know how yet, because it doesn't seem possible yet. But for now, that's how I think these parts can come apart. Oh, okay. So I think I found something. Because 2 is in the middle, so 3 and 1 started like this. So 3 and 1 can come together, and if you kind of play around, you can kind of do this switch. Not really a switch, because now that all 3 are locked together, but see how there is room for 1 and 3 to kind of do this. I don't know if there's another way, but I think that might be our first move. So again, from here, rotate them enough to do this switch. So now that they're locked, now that they're more locked, oh, but then now 2 and now, okay, let me recap. Now 3 is in the middle, 1 and 2 are on opposite sides. This should allow 1 to come out. So yeah, what does this do? This and here, what does that do? Okay, that was 6. This really is the solution already? Let's see, so we thought that this slot right here, this one is for this. See, fits pretty well. And we thought this one is for that. That goes in pretty well. See it? But once we do the switch, 1 and 3 can interact with each other, and watch this. When 1 and 3 interacting with each other, the slots can fit into each other like this. So this slot right here, the white one, goes in here, while this small one actually equals to this. That's a pretty cool design. Bringing back the pictures. So hide this one. This width is actually equal to this right here. And basically how it works is, let me see if we can draw it here. So basically it's this. Number 3. Ignore the weird looking shape, but so we have the purple gap over here that goes all the way through. And number 1, from the top, I mean from the side, it looks like from the side it looks like this. But from the top, it would look like this, and then this right here. From the top, it actually looks like this. So this right here is actually going to end up fitting in right there. Let me makes it more accurate here. puzzle. Now that this is cleared out, this whole area, 2 should be able to come up. Let's test that out. Once that stays in flushed, comes right off. Comes right off. 1, 2, 3. Not hard. Not a level 6 really to me. This puzzle has the challenging part, which it gets a little tangled, becomes a little more complicated, then they come apart. But it also has the satisfying part, because when this motion happens, like the way they 2 come together, it feels pretty nice. Alright, 20 minutes so far. Let's put it together and finish this puzzle. Again, 1 and 3 should come in together, and there might be a difference here if you don't place them right. See, I think I didn't do it right, so do it the opposite way. So it has to, okay, so it has to go in and be able to go like that. Maybe that is how I do it. Yeah, that goes in, number 2 falls in, and then while they're all down here, you're able to do this. Switch. Oh, look at this one. Okay, this is actually a pretty cool place. So once they're both down here, you can rotate this one. There's enough gap for the middle one to stay while the other 2 switch places. And you can do that again with number 2 and number 3. And that brings back to the top. 1, 2 in the middle, and 3. A little bit more than 20 minutes. I feel like if I didn't go through the drawing and explain all that, I'd probably go way faster. I just think that this is a little easier than level 6 for sure, but I actually really like it. I mean, it's something that I'll bring with me and show it to friends and have them play with it. I was just surprised that the solution was that easy, because I have some level 6 ones that are way harder, way harder. And here it is, Hanayama chain.